178,000 for first place and 133,000 on second place. I never checked it out in this very matter, so let's give it a shot. I think this will be my last score, and then we'll just check out who we can rate. We've been going now for 4 or 5 hours almost. I think I should snack a little bit. I got a meeting in an hour. I gotta digitalize all these scores, which is gonna be shit tons of work. Clear sector transfer. Right asteroid has power crystal, transform button changes ship. Warrior has the heaviest armor, fighter has most firepower, speed is the quickest. Oh. Okay, let's just start. Oh, wait. No, it automatically went into easy warp. Crystals restore energy. Yeah, but I never lost energy. Ah, speed is the fastest chip. That's fair. We have 8 more sectors to clear. Let me pick up my energy. Ah, the extra points. Come on. There we go. Warrior has heavy armor. I hope you guys get used to this kind of music, because we're gonna listen to this a long time. Oh, which one do we want? I think we want the one with the aliens. There's a UFO. Oh, that was maybe not the best choice. Hey, I'm taking a lot of damage here. Yeah, that's what I want. Let me get out of here. There we go. Wait. Oh, what is that? What is that? I want that. It looks cool. What is this? Okay. Shield. Alright. Okay. Consider this game has 133k, means people invested a lot into this game, and I don't know if I can do the same thing. I'm gonna tell you what, I need help. We have to clear all sectors. There's 6 more sectors. Let me check. I think it was a 9 grid, right? Oh no, it's a bigger grid. So let's go for this sector. Why not? Matter. Oh, what is that? I just picked something cool up. Retro with Marco. Hey, what's good? Retro with Marco, I think you are on Level Up Score. Am I right? Am I wrong? Because your name sure does ring a bell, sir. How we doing? How is the Wednesday treating you? I'm in the Level Up Discord. Yes, I thought so. I think I've read your name on the board so far. How are we doing? I'm mostly streaming my runs on Twitch. Just for the mere reason that it's easier to just save them up, digitalize what I'm doing, have some proof that it's happening live. The rains have moved out and it's sunny here in LA. Oh, you're from LA. Damn, that's quite far. We're here from Austria. So we're here in the center of Europe. Just doing our own thing. Ah, you're from New York City. There you go. I think this is the part where I should start going for the armored one, but the firepower is important for the UFO here. Okay, another one. Okay, now you can go in. So what are you running mostly, Marco? I'm not sure if I checked out your runs, because I'm mostly going for the vote queue. Whatever pops up, I'm a voted, but I'm most interested to know what people are mostly playing, what people are into, where people are going for the scores and stuff like that. So if you got anything to share, feel free to do so. That was interesting. I pressed transform and I got a 720 spray pattern that served no purpose at all. We're taking. I guess we gotta take those poppers on now. Hey, but there's some health on the line, so that's cool. Oh, okay. Just lost one of the ships. That's okay. And I know the audio is a bit aggressive in this one. I apologize for those who are looking for a pleasant experience. Not all Amiga games, especially in this kind of TD scape, if you want to call it that, had the cleanest audio design. People needed to work with what they had. I ran through several platforms and classic games recently, no particular rhyme or reason. I've also been playing Pac-Man by Alosoft for the C64, which is a fairly good translation. I'll never tried that one. The C64 is a platform I haven't dabbled too much into yet, because I grew up with the Amiga, so the C64 for me automatically feels more antique. Although it is basically the predecessor which enabled many of those experience which grew so dear to me. Oh wait. What we got here? What we got here? We got shields, we got okay, we need that. Come on, game. There we go. We got some mysterious item. Oh, you never owned an Amiga, so it was for you also an emulation first experience, I guess. What can I do? Want to become famous? Oh no, I want you to be banned by my mods. That's what I want. Thanks for asking, random bot. I haven't seen guys like you around for quite some time. Alright, around 38,000, considering that the record pace is at 378 and 133. I don't know if I'm... we remember you! Doesn't mean I want you to hog me. Hold on. Man, do be aggressive though, not gonna lie. Oh, alright, I see you. Oh yeah, okay. So he has some padding that he needs to abide. Come on, we want that tentacle to be gone. At least I would hope that we could work on it. Okay, we could. We were. That's fine. Oh. My dear friend, I would... Okay, we are on our second to last life, it seems. I would love, though, to remove your last trunk. Fine, sir. Okay. Your food capacity has increased. Nice. More hit power. Fair. And that Spinamachick, what does it do? We didn't catch the memo. Okay, so we just made second place on this game. That's fine enough. But let's see how far we can get. Also, thanks for Mirs for taking care of our little run-in. There we go. Energy's back. You have 15 more sectors to clear. Oh, now it's getting fun. I've been getting into the Sega Genesis lately, Marco. That's a fun one, but also like Pulstar. I think Pulstar is its name. I want to check out on the Neo Geo. Timahu Arcade Core. So, quite a few things. And still I haven't decided as to how to approach these properly. So I'm having way too much fun with all these games I'm doing right now, and the Amiga is just my core. Since it rewards with 1,000 and 1,500 points, we'll take it. Full energy, full points, boom, boom. Let's go. Also, your buddy's gonna come by in 5 minutes, Wimmers, right? Does it mean you're about to dip? Because I do fully understand, and you don't need to say goodbye or anything. If your buddy is on the doorstep, you better take care of him. You know, priorities. That was... Oh, hey. Hey, friend. Oh, no. He got the gun. We take those. There we go. Let me serial tip. Alright. Oh. Funny looking alien. We're gonna go for him. Oh, it's a turtle. There's shit tons of shields. Come on. We take them. Free real estate, you know. Okay, hitting another 200k now. Oh, two-step. Hello, how are we doing? How was your Wednesday? We're going strong. 5 hours of pure scoring, and we got quite the number of scores in. I gotta have to submit a lot today, so I guess this could be the last game. Maybe we're gonna check out Polestar just for the entertainment value of it. But I got a meeting with StreamStack in an hour as well, so I cannot do a 7 or 8 hour stream, although I would love to. Better if I do each day, bit by bit. No matter how much I enjoy it. Gotta save up and not spend it all in one place. Anyways, how has life been treating you two, Steph? How was school today, or work, depending on what it was? Because I clearly cannot stay in touch with these things. We'll be getting old. Any world records? I think we did 9 now. Working on maybe the 10th right now. So this was I have a big bucket list, Steppy. Sat down 8 hours yesterday, went through every Amiga game, and I'm not trying only to play scores, I'm only trying to go for the maximum score that has been on all the platforms and beat that. So I think this has been quite the event today. Okay, those blue ones are not friends. They're not friends. I repeat, they're not friends. Holy mackerel. Because if you shoot them, they become big. Then you shoot them more till they stop. It's a weird love and hate relationship between the blue asteroids and my ship. There we go. And a good boy. Work was fine, although half of the IT staff called in sick. Oh boy, something going around again? Because I think Rona is a bit inactive at the moment, right? Numbers have been going down as far as I could tell. Hey. Whoa, what is that? Basketball? Hey. What is that? What is that? What is that funny little mushroom here? Hey, I want that fucking mushroom there. You stay the fuck here, mushroom. There we go. And another turtle? I don't think so, sir. Give me that double cannon. Normal flu is back in town. Ah, yeah. Ronas have been rising. Really, for us, they've been going down drastically. But, you know, one thing doesn't mean same for another country. I guess that's the times we're living in right now. Okay. But we're on 208,000 right now, and considering that 378,000 is the record, this is doable. Oh, right there. It's doable. Crazy music. For crazy chat, because you guys are sticking around for all these weird Amiga games, no matter if they're good or bad. I love the support. Thank you so much, guys. Hey. I will not leave until I get that little speck of energy. Thank you. That's politics. Politics indeed. So what are your plans, Steppy? Are you feeling good, or are you feeling a bit sickish? Because if you're feeling good, I can imagine that you're going to spend your empty, work-free and de-workized evening in front of your computer playing games, doing fun activities. That's just my guess. I gotta head out, have a rest of the stream. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much for the raid again, Serial. I draw my hat. 10 world records in a row. Thanks to your support. And I hope you have a pleasant night's sleep. And I'll be sure to check your stream tomorrow. Take care. Ah, turtle. We don't do it like this. I don't like that. Yo, turtle going mad. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna take this first, huh? There we go. Now turtle. There you go. Give me the shield. Hey, I said you give me the shield. Great. I got a shield and the turtle's like, yeah, by the way, I think you will, gift it to me. So I got shields to lose my shields, to only replenish energy, which I lose because... Bruh. You can make shit up, can you? Alright, so the last 4 sectors before hitting the next boss, which could, in theory, be the anchor point to us getting maybe first place in this game. Oh, double shot? Your trouble, make it double. I'm happy that the music is not too whack, because I can... Okay, for me today, going back for the office band rehearsal. What, office band? There's an office band now all of a sudden? What? I know that you have a punk band, but what's with the office band? No. You gotta tell us now, Steppy. You're not leaving until you tell us what's up there. That's quite some news there. And you know, sharing is caring. If you'll elaborate. Office rehearsal. Office band rehearsal. Huh. We're gonna do this one because the other one rewards boost energy. And then we're going to boss fight straight, so... I'd rather do it in... Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey. Give me that thing first, right? There we go. Look at you. Now give me the shield. There we go. Good boy. Step is like, I'ma go, bye. I'm about to get something with Chimkin. Okay, so last sector before we get into the next phase. Okay, yeah. Fly through the portal to attack Mukor. There's a band because of colleagues and they were looking for a bass player and a lead guitar. So you sign up for a bass player, right? They're still looking for lead guitar, I guess. What kind of music are they doing? Like, that is quite unexpected, I'd say. Come on, can we blow up that one bottom tentacle? That would be great. This guy is testing my patience here. Oh, there we go. Huh? Oh, he only got this bottom trunk left. There we go. Bonus for saving the galaxy. 40k points, fly through the portal, and this is the new world record. Old one was 378,000. We're in 399,800. So we did this one. Nice. Meow chirp stays funny. Meow. Wait, no, very easy warp again. I wanted the. Oh. The moment you want to celebrate certain moments in your Blastoids career, life just treats you very ugly, like this. Gotta make it one way or another. Hey, Cat is here. 80s and radio songs. Oh, that's nice. Look at them go meow chirp. I thought to myself and said, no, say no more, fam. Why was I expecting a non-nonsensical answer? Nice. 80s and radio. Ah, you told us about. You said, I played this with my other band. Now I know what the other band is. You whippersnapper. Rock on, brother. Rock and stone. You beautiful dwarf. Back up. Meow chirp. Ufo. Meow chirp. The sooner you accept it, the faster you'll get it. Mr. Blue 1220 tool. 1220. 1220. Yeah, why not? Why not this one? Okay, let's go here. Three more sectors. Steppy wants me to rehydrate. That was a shot of whiskey. And that the rest of my iced tea. Thank you, Step. Oh, what a funny mix. It's a bit like a festival when you're too drunk and too broke to get proper drinks. I wanted to kill that UFO. UFO get away. Okay, we're gonna do the one that has no boost up, then we're gonna do the one with the boost up, and then we'll get the hell out of here. Oh. Hey. There we go. One more sector and we go to the Bauhaus. Whiskey and iced tea sounds hella nasty. It is. It's actually good. No, it depends on the iced tea, it depends on the whiskey. It depends on your mood, depends on the level of drunkenness. Way too many factors that weigh into going for such a crime. Okay, time for the boss. Mukor again. Don't use cheap iced tea. I wasn't using cheap whiskey, I wasn't using cheap iced tea. Yeah, it was expensive, yeah. But you know already when, like... So we can do Mukor again. Then we gotta do the full other sector again. Ooh, brother. Yeah, hey, I want those things. There you go. Now we can have even more energy. Our energy tank is getting to a point where we're not defeatable anymore, right? Nah, we're defeatable. Yeah, the music is... It might not be the most enticing music, but... I mean, yeah, thank you guys for watching the stream. That's all I can say at this point. Take me with you, Asteroid Base. Time for me to leave. I wish you all a happy Wednesday evening and good luck on the scores. Thank you, sir. Enjoy your 80s and radio office band rehearsal. That was quite a twister. The miniature pad should be buzzing. Yeah. You know. This is basically neoclassic without ever going out of that tension zone. There's nothing wrong with it. We know that you got that shield. So give me that shield. Ah. Ba-da-da. Fucking turtle. Can I have just a nice time in the stage, turtle? Without you interfering. Can make this up, see? And now I used my special star because of you, turtle. Oh yeah, of course. There you go. Imagine. We're gonna clear the sectors easily, and then we take the extra warp, which gives us a 150,000 or 500,000 bonus points or whatever for extreme, because I think otherwise we won't die. To give us official... I think the game has a scoreboard, I hope so at least, because we need a scoreboard to officially sign out. The usual. Right now it's just tedious because it's a bit too easy. I thought it's like in the beginning it's difficult, but once you clear the first boss it gets kinda easy, right? I would love to get this, thank you. Let's go. $560K. Playing around here. There we go. I'm sorry for those still watching, thinking this is the same thing over and over. I know. Some score runs do be tedious. But we're making big progress. And if I get through some of the mouse games tomorrow, for example, then we'd be in very good shape of moving on quite quick toward C and more. I think that maybe with the end of the week we can finish maybe even C up to D. Like, I'm speedrunning this list if I get the chance. It's still gonna take quite a while, but really good progress. Thank you. It's still popping. It's still popping. Okay, no drop. No drop then. So at 600,000, I would love to hit the 660K because then we doubled the old world record. Oh, there's a funny mushroom again. Two more sectors. Final boss. Next warp. Die. brush through the last lives, which are called credits in this game. Important to point out. No, we're not cheating. Normally, if you use credits, a game would reset your score. But this game has credits as in lives. And once they are used up, the game is over and you go to the high score. It's just an old port issue. Oh, mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. There we go. Oh, you wanted to know, Turtle, huh? Coming in when you know that you're about to lose that fight. Very brave. Okay. This last wave into the boss, into new warp. And thus hopefully ending the run soon. Because I don't want to put you guys more through this than needed. Ooh. So I've reported to attack Muka. It's not like fight him, it's like attack. It's personal now. Hey, hey, hey. There we go. I need that boost first. There we go. Okay. Thank Tentacles, man. Yo, bouncing around quite a bit, Muko. Not a fan of it. You know what? Are you trying to brain me off my run already, huh? I will stand victorious on this final note. There you go. Okay, now I gotta change to the small one so I can go through the final portal and die. 40k points, fly through the portal and we doubled, form a world record. I think we're good with that. So, now please, game. No. We go expert work. And we die here. We die here a very fair death. Let's keep a score where people can still compete. And not just go straight for a goodbye. We don't want a thanks for trying score. Oh wait, no. It was an energy box. Okay, last life. Oh, let's see, now we're burning through. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's a better shot. What's that? We know what this is. Come on. I just want to have it. Okay, now we can go. Come on. There we go. Oh, now we would have gotten better fuel. Come on. The game is always giving us the better fuel the moment we leave. What is this? Rotberg. Let's go Rotberg then. Double blue. Yes, I do. There you go. Just had to make sure we got it. Ba-da-da. Ba-da-da. Oh, we got the double fuel now. There we go. Not like we need it, but we take it. Big difference there. It's over. There we go. J, E. Okay. 960,280.